Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm trying to feed the pelicans birds. I don't know what they are. Pelicans, I think. No, they're not pelicans. These birds with Cheez-Its. Apparently they like those. And we're just gonna wait here until they come. It's like a black bird, a raven probably, I'm not sure. Took one of these.
Hello.
I just stand over here, so I'm gonna get them. Right now I'm babysitting.
Hello, I'm in the video.
Just waiting for them. Apparently they're not coming. Birds! You have Cheez-Its? You want Cheez-Its? You guys want some Cheez-Its? You want some Cheez-Its? Oh gosh, it's coming close. Okay. Probably want some, probably not. Just wait here. Yes, come, please. Where did you go? Grab some. They're lonely Cheez-Its. Take them already. What happens if I just take this one? Come on. Anyone wants it? Oh shoot, it's coming. Just trying to get here. Okay, I think a lot more are coming. Trying to get them. Come on, don't be shy. And I'm not gonna try to grab you or hurt you. Just putting them there. They gotta eat. Just eat them already. It's probably calling for them, saying, I have found food. Food. I'm just gonna stay as far as possible. Good. Yeah. Yeah. I think I saw one of them soon. Come on, birds. Maybe they don't see it. Need to make a call. That one. Please, here! Cheez-Its food! Want it? Have it! Here! Yum yum! Trying to call him. Really? Come on! Come on! Oh, I think they see him. Probably don't see it. Here! Have some. Anyone? Ah! Take it. No, they didn't take it.
them.
This is the first time that a bird.
And for your bye.
Let me just drop them, like, drop. Drop. Take it. Drop. Just go down there and take it. Take it. Take it. Take it. Jeez. I dropped it on the floor now. Go get it down there.